Remove the front cover. Remove the compute tray where the compute system board and memory air baffles are installed. If you are removing a memory air baffle from the lower compute system board, remove the upper compute system board or compute system board filler. Attention! Each memory air baffle spans 6 memory modules. Open these 6 pairs of memory module connector retaining clips that span the memory air baffle. Attention! To prevent damage to memory modules and memory module sockets, you must open the retaining clips at both ends of each memory module. Slide the memory air baffle up and off of the memory module connector retaining clips. Remove the air baffle from the compute system board.